Oh na na na. Oh na na na. Oh na na. Oh na na. Oh na na na. Ready to jump up and down?
Yeah.
Ready to go. Oh na na na. Oh, you gotta say.
Ooh, nah, nah,
You
nah.
gotta jump.
Money supersized, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Ooh, welcome to Carter's Eve. We're at it again. Blove rolled out the taco soup, but Luvd By Erica was the person that originally made the taco soup. She's emulating. So I went and watched Luvd By Erica. So that's the soup we're going to be making today. So over here, we already have the taco meat cooking. I'm going to chop some onions, get it in butter, and put it in this pan. And here are a list of the ingredients we're going to be using today. Again, it's a taco soup. Sweet corn, pinto beans, black beans, diced tomato. Imperative. And I have original Taco Bell seasoning mix because when we did the oh, you weren't here for that. We did tacos last week and we bought original taco shells and it came with the seasoning mix. So these two are combined on top of our meat with these beans on top of it, almost like a dump meal. Again, I went to Luvd By Erica's page and watched how she did it. Blove added portobello mushrooms, red peppers, yellow peppers. Not going to do it because the kids won't eat it. But we are going to saute the onions with butter over in this pan. And if you're ever at Aldi's or Walmart, they have taco seasoning turkey meat. Already ready. Taco seasoning turkey meat. So that is here. Taco seasoning turkey meat. So once we begin to dump, I'm going to show you how this looks. Set it up on top of our jalapeno lime tortilla chips. And have our taco soup for dinner in just minutes. Ready? Okay, Mr. Office stirring the meat. And I'm going to add the butter. He decided to come over. Arthur came over. See Arthur? Y'all see Mr. Arthur? Y'all know we use the plant-based butter over here. Plant-based butter over here. Plant-based butter over here. Country clock. Plant-based butter over here. Plant-based butter over here. Plant-based butter over here. Plant-based butter chia.
Can you all that?
And there's the onions. We're gonna drop them right into the pan. Oh, we forgot to tell you, we went hiking. We went hiking today. We got the kids out.
Gave up.
Man, that trail looked like it was never going. Listen.
What's wrong?
That trail looked like it was never going to end. You hear? And it just kept going and going and going. And at one point we went uphill. I said, oh, I can't. Let's turn around and go back. But guess what? If we had turned around and went back, we would have done 1.5 miles back when we were right there at the exit. So thank God for the head of the household and leadership. Arthur made it to the top first. He said, Lisa, Blake wants to go back. You know he's a jokester. And, oh, listen. He's looking for a whisk.
My whip did y'all keep losing.
Now, y'all were singing it. I heard you singing it. I heard you. You said plant-based butter over chia. Plant-based butter over chia. So, anyway, we are still probably perspiring from that. I'll bring you over to see it. I'll bring you closer. Y'all know it gets hot. There's the turkey meat. There's the taco seasoning. The taco meat. And there's your onion and butter.
I'll turn this down. So
Okay.
Just let it sit and simmer. Just let it sit and simmer.
Again, B-Love had yellow. He said his show was on. B-Love had yellow peppers. Red peppers. Portobello mushrooms. I'm not even gonna season it because you know this is for Papa and it's low. We want to stay low sodium. So I'm gonna get these cans opened on up for you, and we're gonna dump this meat and get it piled up. And the secret that Luvd By Erica said, I'll show you. How's my girl, mommy on deck said, onions on deck, check, check, check. Okay, so our onions are in there. I'm doing it as just Luvd Erica. Turkey meat done. We're just gonna dump it. Can you see that? We're just dumping it before it burns, before it's in there too long. Just dump it. And I probably could have cooked it all in one pot. Daddy's over there taking games off of Blake's tablet. So this is technically for me, Mom, and Papa, and I, because we love tacos. The kids are gonna have oodles and noodles. Blake may mess with it, but I put onions in this one, so more than likely she won't. Blake can eat anything as long as it's a soup. So yeah, Blake will probably do it, but AJ won't. Okay, I'm gonna let you see it, and then we're gonna dump and do what old gal told us to do. Luvd By Erica. I didn't do this the B-Love way. I'm still watching B-Love's video right here, right now, because time gets away from you. It just does. The meat is. The meat is. All right. Luvd By Erica. This is what Luvd By Erica said. She dumped her corn first. She ran all the juice off her corn. No. She kept the juice. She kept the corn juice. Crisp and sweet corn. No salt added. Remember, trying to stay a little healthy. Don't stir. Or I'm going to let you look in the pot. Okay, so I have product placement back here, right, you guys? I got my dice. I got my black beans, tomatoes, black beans, pinto beans. After the corn, Sis said she ran off her black beans. We ran the juice off the black beans. Food Line. Shout out to Food Line. Right on top, just like that. Then she came in with the pintos. Is that right? You can hear Pop, Arthur, and Blake discussing. I ran the juice off of the diced tomatoes. Not a lot, because I'm not, you know, I hate red stuff. Pinto beans. Sis said, don't add your water yet. You want to make sure that you put the seasonings in together. And she went with her taco first. Shout out to Taco Bell, original Taco Bell seasoning mix. There's the logo in case you're doubting me. It's so good. And then the Hidden Valley Ranch. She said if you put the water in before, it won't turn out right. So there's your ranch. Never have I ever. So we have today. We will see how this goes. We're going to add some water. Ready? Half a cup of water, which wasn't enough, so I'm adding a little bit more. If you've come to my lives, you know this is my favorite cup. So that means y'all probably missed my song. Who knows when it cut off? Jesus, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, there it is. We're going to let this boil, bubble up, cook up, stew up. Whew, that looks amazing. Tuka. I didn't do a lot of seasoning, you guys, because again, we're dealing with the senior citizens. But it is about 82 degrees outside, but nothing wrong with a good pot of soup, okay? Okay. And we're almost ready to plate it up. I need it to really come up some though. I'm gonna cover it for 15 and come back to you. Hey y'all, we're in the kitchen getting the kids' oodles and noodles ready. Cause that's all they want. And Mima's here and she's excited about the cow. Nope, she's leaving. I don't know if you heard about the Comment, Commit, and Stick t-shirt because it may have cut off. So this is for the community. When you stick by a channel, you comment, commit, and stick by that channel. So they are $25, $6 shipping. We'd love for you to get one. I cut the neck. Yes, I did. Beautiful heather gray. So let's see what it looks like, you guys. Our taco soup. You see that? Oh. Mukbangs and Thangs. There's a slow-mo. Yeah. Let's see. What say you? Now keep in mind, if it's a soup, I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see the finished product, okay? Whew. Simple Dimple did it in less than 10 minutes, you guys. Praise ye the Lord. I'm going to plate it up for you and let you see it. And we put it right on the bottom. And then we're going to plate it up. And you see the steam coming off that joker. After watching Stargate, I like creamy melt, triple cheddar, Vermont white, sharp cheddar, and cheddar cheese with cream cheese. I like creamy melt. I like sour cream. You've got it plated up. As Mama Ray Ray says, voila. It's like nachos, but being that it's a soup, you can see the roux. See how it's moving down below there? So I'm going to get me a spoon. I'm going to crack into that. You have the first bite. There you go. You have it. That's to fellowship. Lord bless the food, but receive the nourishment by Christ's sake name. In Jesus' name we pray. Let me serve you better. Amen. Happy Easter, everyone. We just gonna stand in front of our TVs with our Easter best on and our children's hair not done because we can't get to the hairdresser, and have Easter service living room style in our Sunday best. Happy Easter. There you go. All my girls are on the cute couch. Oh my girl. Rest in peace to Bill Withers. Be sure to check out that video. See that cheese? See that cheese? Is it gonna fall? Is it gonna fall? Oh. with that lime, a jalapeno lime, takes it up. When you're on YouTube, do what they say do on YouTube. Fellowship. I would have never known about this recipe. Or just Erica. Just loved. I would have never known Luvd by Erica ever if BLove hadn't shouted her out. I ran over there, peeped her recipe, here for it, quick. I'm all about quick meals. Listen. Shout out to BLove, thank you. The soup jumped right out the pot, y'all. The soup jumped. Oh my God, the soup part tastes like taco. Listen. Do what people, when they say go visit my girl in the video, do that. So as soon as BLove said today, happy birthday BLove, awesome live last night, awesome live. Everybody was just in there with love and dropping super chats and celebrating her for all she does for YouTube and the family we have. Listen. First thing out of her mouth was, I saw this on Luvd By Erica. I stopped, went right over there, subscribed, and watched the video. Cheese still melting. Oh. And when you meet all these people, we only swell and get bigger. Shout out to Luvd By Erica. This is fantabulous. And that sweet corn just kicks you in the back of the mouth. Cheesy. Ridiculous.
This very, very good.
Very good.
Delicioso.
I want the authentic, what you just said. Ooh, this is so good. I can't, it's no fun, y'all. I can't catch Joyce saying how dang on good.
This is very good.
Drop down good.
It'll drop down good.
Yeah, this is really good.
Amen. You like, I see you. Make it. And go visit Luvd By Erica. Thank you, BLove, for leading me to the water. And I think I'll try it BLove's way next time, but we're in that season where we ain't going to the stores. I used what I had. I have portobello, and I didn't have red and yellow peppers. Love you, B. I see you, girl. I call you. And Luvd By Erica. Thank you, B. Love you guys. Bye.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.